Hi there, students. To acclimatize. To acclimatize. Acclimatization. Well, literally, this means to become used to a different climate. So, for example, if you live in a place that's normally very cold and you go and live somewhere tropical, it will take you some time to acclimatize, to get to be used to adapt yourself to the new environment, to the new climate, to the hot weather, or vice versa. You you've lived in a tropical region for a long time, and then you go and live in Antarctica. It's going to take you some time to acclimatize. Okay, so acclimatization, it's the process where an organization adjusts to its environment. But it doesn't just have to be the temperature. It could be the humidity, it could be the pH, the acidity of the water. It depends. So, for example, a fish may need to acclimatize to new situations. I think some dolphins mainly live in fresh water, but they can acclimatize to seawater. You could acclimatize to changes in altitude as well. Okay, and this is the an organism responding to changes in its environment. But then we can also use this word acclimatize more metaphorically. So to acclimatize to a new system, to acclimatize to something, to get used to a new way of life. Maybe you need to acclimatize to a new working schedule, or you acclimatize to new surroundings, or you acclimatize to something different, a difference. You could acclimatize to a new job or a new company. Yeah. So it's to become relaxed, to become adjusted to a new situation. It's not just the climate or the temperature. If you have a new teacher in your class, it will take it could take some time to acclimatize to the new teaching methods. So it could take a long time to acclimatize to living in the tropics. It could be impossible to acclimatize to new working conditions. As I get older, I find it harder and harder to acclimatize to the world of today. Maybe if you start working night shift, then it's difficult to acclimatize to working the night shift. Okay, so there are some things that maybe you find it easy to acclimatize to, and other things that are much more difficult to acclimatize to. So yeah, it might take several months to acclimatize yourself to working at night. Notice acclimatize to plus ing. Okay, formality, acclimatize. I think this is a 6 in formality. Let's see, with a Z or with an S normally in the UK, a Z normally in American. The Americans also use to acclimate. Yeah. Okay, so acclimatize, and then as to origin, okay, it comes from acclimate, from French acclimater, which comes itself from the climate, which comes from Latin klima, or from ancient Greek klima. And the klima is the latitude, the region, originally the slope of a mountain, but the position on the globe, the inclination, the climate. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To acclimatize.